Yeah, good morning. Welcome to my dear students to one more video presentation. I have been warning everyone so that please watch the complete video for better understanding and have the notes, pen along with you. Then do the revision, learn for your sake, not for the sake of others. This is Suresh Babu from Government First Grade College, Gauri. I hope you would be able to see the screen in the full scape, right? So this is what the next method. So we would be dealing in the valuation of goodwill, right? That is the sums. The fourth method, which is annuity method. What is annuity? A-N-N-U-I-T-I-T-Y, annuity. See, annuity is the sum which is fixed, right? Which is usually the amount or the premium which would be fixed for number of years, which would not change usually in the mathematical form. So let us see what is annuity here. Under this method, the goodwill of a concern is ascertained by taking into the present value of an annuity for a certain number of years at a certain rate of interest. That means the future cash inflows are being calculated using the present value technique. Present value technique is known as annuity method. So usually the super profits of the business is multiplied by the present value of the rupee ascertained from the annuity tables. That is the method. So then what is the goodwill under this method? See, goodwill of the firm is equal to super profits into annuity value. That's it, simple. So how to get super profits? So first, adjusted average profits. Next, average capital employed. Next, normal profit. Next, super profit. Next, goodwill. Correct? These are all the 5 stages. In the 5th stage, you do super profits into annuity value. That's it. Then how do you get present value or annuity value for a given 1 rupee? Usually, let me explain. The present value of a rupee that is received after 1 year usually would be, so 1 divided by 1 plus I. This is the formula which we use to find out the present value. For example, rupees 1000, right? You are going to receive after 1 year, right? What is its present value? 0.969. How do you derive this value? If you want to derive this value, take the calculator and do this. 1 is the standard 1 rupee, 1 plus I whole to the power of 1 plus I whole to the power of n. Yeah, 1 divided by 1 plus I whole to the power of n. Yes. So 1000, right? That is the reason why. If the rate of interest is 10%, what is the rate of interest? 10%. So then 1 divided by 1 is equal to, right? If you simplify this, you would be able to get this. So for example, let me close this, right? I will show you the calculator so that let me take the calculator. Yeah, it's all right. We'll do one thing. We'll finish this, then we'll proceed to that one. Yeah. So you do take the calculator and do it. So you will be getting this. So 1 divided by 1.1. See, what 0.1 is what? 10% means 0.10. You can write, right? Yeah. Yeah. Then the net profits of a company after providing for taxation for the past 5 years are 40,000, 42, 45, 46, 47 after tax is given. The capital employed in the business is 4 lakhs, on which reasonable rate of return 10% is expected. It is expected that the company will be able to maintain its super profits for the next 5 years. How many years? 5 years. So 5 years is the goodwill. Calculate the value of the goodwill of the business on the basis of annuity of super profits, taking the present value of an annuity of 1 rupee for 5 years at 10% interest rate is 3.78. They have given the annuity value, you need not calculate. So capitalization of super profits method and 5 years purchase of super profit. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now let us see. So now the profits unit for 5 years, 40, 42, 45, 46, 47. So it is increasing tendency. You need to follow weighted average profit. So year column, profits column, weights column, product column, right? So first year 40,000 into 1, 40,000. 42,000 into 2, 84. 45 into 3, 1,35,000. 46 into 4, 1,84,000. 47 into 5, 2,35,000. Total product 6,78,000. Total weights 15. Now weighted average profit is equal to 6,78,000 divided by 15, 45,200. Okay, there is no adjustment here. So weighted average profit itself is enough. Then calculation of normal profit. Capital employed in the problem itself, they have given 4 lakh rupees into 10 divided by 100. So here assets method we are not using. Why? Capital invested in the business is given in the sum itself. So 40,000 rupees, correct? Calculation of super profit. Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is 45,200. Normal profit is 40,000. The difference is 5,200 plus, correct? So this is what super profit. Calculation of goodwill, 3 methods. So first one, valuation of goodwill under annuity method. 5,200 into 3.78, 19,656. This is the goodwill under first method. Second method, super profits method. Super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100. 5,200 divided by 10 into 100, 52,000. Suppose super profit is, okay, compared to normal rate of return. See, that is the reason. It depends on this. It depends on this. For example, right. No exam. Let us proceed. Okay. Super profits method. Third one, value of goodwill is super profit into number of years of purchase. 5,200 into 5, 26,000. How many methods? 3 methods. Right? So multiplied by 3. Each one multiplied by 3. Right? So what is to be multiplied by 3? That is a homework. Right? So that is for 5 years same. 40,000 into 3, 42,000 into 3. So you multiply. Even capital employed 4 lakh into 3, 12 lakhs, right? Reasonable rate of return is 10%. let it be same. Okay, don't change. That is what the homework sum. Right? Do the homework sum. Homework. Right? Don't say, I am not aware. Next. Problem on 22nd. Problem on valuation of goodwill and the various methods. Same. The net profits of the business after providing for taxation. For example, for the past 5 years, 80,000, 85,000, 92,000, 1 lakh 5,000, 1 lakh 18,000. The capital employed in the business is 8 lakhs. The normal rate of return is expected in this type of business is 10%. It is expected that the company will be able to maintain profits. Super profits for 5 years, calculate the value of the goodwill. 5 years purchase of super profits, annuity method, taking the present value of an annuity of 1 rupee for 5 years at 10% rate of interest is 3.78. Capitalization of super profits. Simple. Weighted average profits, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year. So it is increasing. So weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 80,000 for 85,000, 92, 1 lakh 5 and 1 lakh 8. 80,000 into 1, 85,000 into 2, 1 lakh 7,000, 92,000 into 3, 3 lakh, 2 lakh 76,000, 1 lakh 5,000 into 4, 4 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 18,000 into 5, 5 lakh 90,000, total 15 lakh 36,000, total rate 15. So average profit would be, weighted average profit would be 1 lakh 2,400. So normal rate of return, capital employed into normal rate of return, 8x into 10%, that is 80,000. Super profits is equal to weighted average profit, normal profit. So 1 lakh 2,400 minus 80,000, 22,400. Valuation of goodwill, first method. Super profit into 5 years, 22,400 into 5, 1 lakh 12,000 first method. Second method, so super profits into annuity value, 22,400 into 3.78, 84,672. And the third method, capitalization of super profits method. Super profit divided by normal rate of return into 100, 22,400 divided by 10 into 100 is equal to 224,000. Okay. So average capital employed need not be calculated as capital employed is given in the problem. Okay. I hope I have run through, because 2 sums I could solve within 14 minutes with all that. So learn quickly, give feedback, as well as update your notes. It's very, very important. So in a couple of days, I may check everyone's notes. Notes should be ready, and do the homework some.